Hello students, welcome to science class. Students, in the previous lecture we discussed about the mole concept. In mole concept we saw Avogadro's number. What is Avogadro's number? Avogadro's number is equal to the value 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 of any substance, of any atom, molecule or ion. So students, in this lecture we are going to discuss some numericals to make the concept of mole concept very clear. Now students, come to the first numerical. You can also write in your notebooks how many molecules are there in 22 grams of carbon dioxide. Right students? We know that the molecular mass of carbon dioxide, one molecule of carbon dioxide has mass 44 U. But we know that molecular mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide is equal to 44 grams. 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. It means one molecule contains mass 44 U and these much of molecules contain the mass 44 grams, which make it as 1 mole of carbon dioxide. Now students, what they have asked about to know about the moles in 22 grams. We can also use very easy method that in 44 grams of carbon dioxide, number of moles equal to 1. In 1 gram of carbon dioxide, number of moles equal to 1 upon 44, and in 22 grams of carbon dioxide, number of moles will equal to 22 upon 44. It is equal to half mole. By applying the simple mathematical equations like this, we can calculate the number of moles in 22 grams of carbon dioxide. I think this numerical is clear to you all. Now we come to the second numerical, which is from your NCERT book. Calculate the number of moles for the following 52 grams of helium. Right students? First of all, same, we will write 1 mole of helium is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms, because helium does not exist in the molecular form, it is an atom. Right students? This is, now we know that the 1 atom of helium has mass 4 unit, but 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of helium has mass 4 grams. Right students? Helium atom has about the weight atomic mass 4 grams, which is known as the gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass. Now we have to calculate the number of moles for the 52 grams. Now students, we see 4 gram of helium atom has moles. How many moles? 1 mole. Now 1 gram of helium atom has moles equal to 1 upon 4, and we have 52 grams of helium has weight 1 upon 4 multiplied by 52. It will come 13 moles. Calculate the number of moles. We have calculated that in 4 grams the number of helium atoms were 1 mole, but in 52 grams we calculated there are 13 moles. by applying simple maths. Now students, the second part is 12.044 into 23 number of helium atoms. We have to find the number of moles. Right students, what we have to find? The number of moles. Now students, you can see in 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, the number of moles is equal to 1. Right students, in 1 atoms, right, in 1 number of moles will be 1 upon 23, and in this amount it will be number of moles will be 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 upon 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. If we will cut, it will come 2. It will come 2. Right students? 2 moles. So, how many moles are there? Because this value is double of the Avogadro's number. If Avogadro's number, this much of atom contains 1 mole. So, this value will contain 2 moles. So, by applying simple maths, you can calculate the number of moles like masses, etc. It is not at all difficult. Now, students, we come to the third one. You can write down the statement of the third. Calculate mass when there is a, calculate the mass when there is a 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. We have what? 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. We have to calculate the mass. Right students? Now we can also calculate the nitrogen is a molecule. If the mass of nitrogen atom is, if the mass of nitrogen atom is 14, so nitrogen molecule have 28 units. But we know that 1 mole of nitrogen molecule will be equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23, which is equal to 28 grams. It is gram atomic mass. If this thing is clear, you can solve whole of the sum. It is not at all difficult. Now students, as we know that 28, we know 1 mole of nitrogen is equal to 28 grams. So 0.5 moles of nitrogen will equal to what? Right students? Will equal to 28 divided by 0.5. We will divide it now because 0.5 is smaller than the, we will multiply this with 0.5. It will be 28, 5 upon 10. This will be 2 and this will be 14 because 1 mole of nitrogen contains 28 grams. So, half mole will contain half of the 28, which will be 14 gram. Now, students, there is B. This is 0.5 mole of nitrogen atoms. It is same we have done for molecule. Now, same way we can done for atoms. We know 1 mole of nitrogen atom will be equal to what? 14 grams, and 0.5 moles of nitrogen atom will be equal to 14 multiplied by 5 upon 10. It is 2, it is 7 grams. It is very simple students. You can see if 1 mole contain 28 grams, the half mole will contain half of the grams. 1 mole of nitrogen atom contain 14 grams. So 0.5 mole of nitrogen will contain 7 grams. You can also note down students. Then I will rub it off. Now students, we will see The third part, which is very easy, we are calculating the mass. We have given the number of atoms. First of all, these are number of nitrogen atoms. The mass in the 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of nitrogen contains mass how much? 14 grams. One will contain 14 upon 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. We have given this much. 3.011 multiplied by 23 atoms of nitrogen will contain mass. This 6.022 into 10 raised to power multiplied by 3.11 multiplied by 23. Now students, we can calculate. This become 2 and 2 becomes 7. So it will be 7 grams. It is very clear, if this value contains 14 grams of mass of nitrogen atom, so its half value will contain the 7 grams of mass. Now next is the 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 number of nitrogen molecules, which will contain how much mass? We know that it is equal to 1 mole of molecule of nitrogen. So it contains 28 grams of mass, because one molecule of nitrogen contains 28 units. So these much of molecules of nitrogen will contain mass 28 grams. So these are the few numericals related to mole concept. Hope you all must have understood this concept. Next chapter, new chapter we will start in the next lecture, next class. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.